welcome to GIS Pathways tutorial on definition queries. Definition queries are something that some people aren't aware of, but it can be very useful once you realize how to set them up and what uses you can gain from this. Definition query basically allows you to focus on a certain feature and eliminate the other features within a particular layer. For this example, I have some countries highlighted here, and I am going to create a map of New Zealand along with the cities in New Zealand and the rugby stadiums. Basically, this map is going to be focused on New Zealand and rugby. And what I could do is highlight my feature here of New Zealand and export it out and create my own feature class. But that takes several steps in order to do that, and then I have the actual data that I have to store. But a very efficient way to do this is through a definition query. When you think of a query, you think of putting in some type of search statement and it actually selecting features on your map that meet the requirements that you've set. Well, this does a similar thing, except instead of just highlighting it, it will make that the only feature that is visible on the map. So let's focus on New Zealand here. The definition query is located under your properties, so you can either right click and go to properties or double click, and here I have the tab already pulled up, but you got your normal layer property tabs, and we have definition query, and then you have a box where you enter your query in. I'm going to use query builder for this example, and we've got country name. Actually, I need country name, not FIPS country. Country name equals New Zealand. If you do not equal New Zealand, then everything but New Zealand will show. Alright, New Zealand, we're going to verify that statement. It shows that it was successful. Hit OK. OK. Now you see all the countries are not visible except for New Zealand. That was done just through the simple definition query. I'm going to zoom in on my map here on New Zealand. Now we see New Zealand, and I can easily add in my stadiums along with my cities and create the map that I want without having to go through too much trouble of actually pulling out New Zealand to create a new layer. And I can query my definition queried country, and it will only query from the available features that I've selected. So none of the other features, although they still exist in the layer, they will not be pulled into analysis and visibility for this map. So I hope you can get some good uses out of this. I think it can apply and be very beneficial to your current workflow. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please continue to browse my website for more GIS tips, GIS information, ArcGIS tips. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks for watching.